We had this annoying woman with her stop noise movement years ago. What eventually happened is she became a joke among all the local airports, so we took turns flying over her house. They actually had her coordinates on the bulletin boards. You can't control planes flying over your house, and if flying disturbs your little utopia, consider that a mental illness and you are a danger to all those around you.
This is how the U.S. government, the Federal Aviation Administration, and complicit members of the United States Congress burn through your hard-earned tax dollars, slashing education, student aid, and health care for families while funneling subsidies to general aviation airports that dump toxic pollution, relentless noise, and real physical and psychological harm onto vulnerable communities. Meanwhile, Americans are squeezed by rising inflation, gas and food prices, soaring rent, and job insecurity, forced to carry the burden, while public money is poured into aviation war games and endless wars overseas that weaken our country and drain taxpayers. And U.S. Congress looks the other way, enabling a system plagued by insider trading, market manipulation, and financial Ponzi schemes, propped up by a multi-trillion-dollar war industry that puts profit ahead of American people, families, and children.